From Divine, Sister of the Light Natalia Alba, beloved ones, many of you are ancient warriors, Templars with a mission of bringing unification on a planetary level in the Earth's fabrics, grids, and organic vortexes that have been distorted for centuries. I see the wounds many of you still carry within, and your courage to continue coming to Earth to complete the mission you once started. A mission that consists of seeding the wisdom that was attempted to be taken away from you, without knowing the Holy Grail was hidden within your unique divine blueprint, for all is always within. The wisdom of the Cathars, rather than being eradicated, continues among us, for it comes back with each and every one of you, due to the incessant wars to impede your mission. As Essenes and Cathars, descendants, many of you carry profound, traumatic memories embedded within your first, second, third chakras, sixth and seventh dimensional light body portals, for your unique unified template has been inserted with many fragmented holograms to separate what was pure in nature. Your feminine was repressed for you not to feel, give, create, and heal, as your masculine was distorted and disconnected from the female to impose itself on the female, abusing its power and control over it. Many of you have suffered from dreams, remembering who you once were. 144 flowing in, reviving all the persecutions you have had while you carried the sword of truth, as guides recently shared in a co-creation. Many of you are incessant warriors who have been constantly incarnating to help retrieve Earth's original template. Let the emerald ray of creation restore your Cathar Essene unique coding in your heart, a unique light code similar to the original cross that was once manipulated by religions and by what is behind them. Let the white flame of creation bathe your unified template, allowing its original coding to be restored, purified, and its wisdom retrieved. Allow love in to heal and reclaim who you are. Now it is safe to be who you are. Today you are free to be who you are, for many of you, as I often see, still carry repression, feminine distortions, false memories implanted within your mental body to remember someone you never were. Programs of guilt that do not allow you to move forward, and above all, programs of oblivion, which is the hardest one to clear, for you do not even remember who you are. Now planet Earth is being assisted by many benevolent beings and forces, as the Auroras, Venusians, Arcturians, and many others that are helping you to remember, to live freely, and to retrieve your Essene template, for you were born unified, as our beloved Yeshua, Maria, and Magdalena, for they all were a tribe of 12 unified beings supporting the planetary mission, to seed the lost female and masculine wisdom, as both are key in this plane to retrieve unity. They carried a mission that today continues in the Ethiopian lands, near Lake Tana, where lost knowledge still resides, hidden for those who hold the codes to unlock its wisdom. In Egypt, for those who know where to look among the many false programs, and there reside. In the UK, France, and Canada, Calgary, for even though many believed the Essenes and Cathars to be extinguished, they emigrated and left their knowledge to their descendants. Today, many of you continue with the mission of recoding many Earth's Templars, locations, and fabrics. There are new openings in France, Ethiopia, and other important areas. You will uniquely receive where to go or be next, for not all shall be exposed. You hold the genetic coding that allows you to be recognized by the location assigned to work with it and help in its restoration. To those of you, whether Essenes or from any other lineage, thank you for your unique contribution. As I am blessed to see through many of you, there are many of you brave souls assisting this shift, and all of you working incessantly during many lifetimes in what we are now witnessing as a major planetary opening. Thank you for your devotion to serve creation. Your effort and willingness to seed more love, healing, and unity are immensely recognized, appreciated, and needed for our planet to continue its transition. May you receive as many blessings as you are here to give. May God's wisdom and protection continue walking with you. With an infinite love from NataliaAlba.com.